So, time to paint it. I've chosen linseed oil. It's white color, so it's pigmented with the linseed oil, and it's Beckers Tradition. And if you want to sort it out, you use alfalfa nafta in Sweden. It's a half blank, half satin, sort of satin look. Let him do that, and then I will fill it over into this smaller container. So let's put on the second layer of the boiled linseed oil. You can check out my other videos testing some other colors and preparing them. Check out my other videos. But the trick is you should apply it thin and then drag all the way, and perhaps use a roller all the way like this. So thin layers. This is too thin. So painted I think this is third layer, this is first layer. And as a tip, I'm using this IKEA Effektiv. It's for wine bottles, 9 wine bottles, but it works perfect as a drying cabinet. So the more thorough you are with the pre-job, the less work you have to do later. I should have been more thorough, wiping off the excess, I guess, but you live and you learn. Here you see a typical too much, and it doesn't dry. So it's pretty wet here, you see. Too much. And if it's 2 weeks since I painted this, and still not dry. So that's what happens when too much. So this is some of the bubbles you get when you have too much excess of the linseed oil. Here I have grounded it down. You see, it's too much. And here we have a bubble. So gotta be careful with the pre-work and not use too much. So I ground down the bubbles using 320 paper. Try to get it smooth, and then clean it over with a rag. Here we have some little bubble. Can you see it? Yep. Can hardly see here when I have the camera in front. Yeah, so I do this. Try to fix all the small pieces.